everyone, my name is Marwan and this is my first YouTube video, and if you like my content today, please follow my channel and also like and share. And if you like to keep up to my channel, please turn on the notification bell below. Alright, today I will be unboxing and quickly reviewing the Keychron K3 keyboard. And let me give you some background on how to get this. So at the moment this is out of stock on the website, but whoever ordered during Christmas timeline would have received theirs, and whoever ordered during January first week, I think they would get it, like the shipping would be February, that's what the website says, but for now it is out of stock. Alright, so the one I got is the Keychron K3's ultra slim brown switch. So there are other switches available on the website, so you can get the red, blue, white, black, orange, and each switch has their own pressure point for the keyboard. So this one, the brown one has a gentle tactile pressure point. I think this is gonna be like a very quietish, that's what I read, but let's find out together today. Let's see how it is. Alright, so I will be using this keyboard for my daily use for replying to emails, browsing. Alright, and I am used to minimalistic keyboard, like ultra slim kind of thing. Before this I was using my Logitech K380 keyboard, but this is going to be my secondary keyboard, or while I'm on the go I will be using this. So this is like this is 75% layout, so meaning very low profile. This one will not have the keypad on the side, okay, and this is type C charging. The other one didn't have the type C charging, it worked with the battery, but this one has the type C charging cable included. We will see once I open the box, and the other features once I open the box. For now, the reason I didn't open the plastic on the top, I just wanted to show you how well packed this came in. Well done, Keychron, for the packaging. Or maybe this was done by DHL Express, or maybe by Keychron. If you guys know about that, please let me know down below. But other than that, so let's go ahead and open the Keychron. So this is the boxing, well packed, and I really love the sleek black box. It is very satisfying to look at it. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay, so the box comes with pressure point. So this is just the paperwork, comes with everything, a book about the keyboard features, and it comes with multiple languages, how to use all that. Alright, so this is what we have been reading, and okay, so oh wow. Okay, so there are other K1, K2, K4, 6, I think other keyboards. I think this is one of the ultra slim, and it doesn't have the aluminum boxing like around. I think the aluminum is inbuilt in this one, and this has a protection. I think I'm gonna keep it, so if you move around you don't throw this. I think I'm gonna keep the box, but it is totally up to you. So this is the keyboard. So today we're just gonna do unboxing and a quick review how it looks, the typing, sound and everything, but I'm not gonna be going in depth, which I might do it after using it for a week or so to know that how it works. But like I said, like me, I'm gonna be using this for daily usage. I'm gonna be using 3 devices I will be connected to. Will be my iPhone, my work laptop, which is Windows, and my personal laptop, which is Mac OS. Okay, so in this case I will be testing the switching, how fast the Bluetooth is, all that, once I start using it. But for today, let's see what else we have in the box. So we have the keys. I'm gonna keep it. We have the to remove the buttons. We have the USB-C cable. So let's put this away. Okay, so that's the box gone there. Okay, so this is, so let's just go through the things what we have in the box. Okay, so we got the keyboard. There was some paperwork, I excluded them. We have the USB-C cable, standard. Let's just see how. I think this is less than 2 feet, but this is a bit like a good size to charge, connecting to your monitor or your laptop to charge this. It's a pretty solid USB-C cable with the keyboard. Okay, and like I said, for this one, since you can use it with Windows and Mac OS, you get the keys to replace them as you use, depending on how you use. So for me, I'm gonna, like the way it came, like you can see it has the Mac setup right now. I'm gonna keep it the way it is because I use Mac more than the Windows keyboard, and I'm totally fine. I'm not gonna be switching every time I change my work and the personal laptop, but this is totally, it depends on your preference. Like this is how I use it, I'm gonna use it, but I won't force you to. But these are the keys, and like you see, you get all of the Windows keys, you can switch them. Okay, and the one I got, this is brown switch. Like I said earlier, this is not the RGB backlight, so this won't have the yellow or a different color pattern. So this is like the white backlight, and this is low profile Keychron. This is not the low profile, the optical one, which comes with extra keys, because I'm not a gamer. I didn't prefer to pay more. But the one I have here right now is $69 plus the tax, plus the express shipping. They do not give you a slow ship or anything. This is a standard like express shipment of 24 USD. Okay, so this cost me around 69 plus 24 shipping plus tax, everything. I think Canadian was around $120 or less, something around that range. But I think this is the average price if you compare with any other mechanical keyboard. But this was a pre-order, and I got mine, and the ones available in the market right now, I haven't seen. There might be, if you guys know anything which has a low profile like this and is around this price range, do let me know. But this is something I was impressed when I saw this, so I went away right and ordered it. So you see 1 2 3 here. You can just, this is where you switch the devices, and you have the keypad here, the numbers here, and then this one specifically to Mac, like I said, it has the brightness and other keys on the top, and the lightning here if I click, and this comes with a good to plug the key. I'm not gonna do it, but this is how it goes. It just attaches to your keys, and then you just pull out and it comes out. The key come out. But I'm not gonna be doing that because I'm gonna keep it the way it is. And let's just see what the brown switch, the sound is like. All right. Okay, so that was the sound typing test for this keyboard, and I think I was expecting for this to be more quiet-ish, but I think this is okay. But this is the brown switch, which has the low, I think the sound, the quietest keyboard, I think. But if you guys think there's other switch, if you have used red, blue or white, black, orange, other switches, let me know down comment below if you would recommend something else, and should I return this, and I will let you know once I keep using it how it is. Maybe the keys, the sound goes down, maybe it's just brand new right now, so I will let you know more about this, but for now this is how it is, and it has two rubber, so this goes up so that it doesn't have your, so I did order a way dear another product for the palm wrist, but I don't think so. Do I really need it? But based on my usage, I'm gonna be doing another review with more in-depth review of the keyboard plus the palm rest, which I ordered from way dear, because the one which is specifically made for K3 is, they were not shipping it to Canada for some reason on the website. And again, do let me know why are they not shipping to Canada. There was some reason. So what I did go ahead and order the way dear palm rest from the Amazon, which I already have it. I'm gonna soon be doing a review with the keyboard, more in-depth review, but for now let me know why they didn't ship. If you guys know why are they not shipping that to Canada. I think that's what I wasn't able to add it in my cart with this. Okay, so this like you see here, this has a USB-C plug here, and if you want to use with the cable or you want to use with Bluetooth, you can keep switching. It's a very minimalistic, you can just switch it, there's hardly any sound. And if you want a Mac or Mac or Windows, you can keep switching between them. But I don't see, this is Mac and Windows, I don't see a Linux specific switch for Linux. For that I do not know what is happening, but I do not care because I am not gonna be using it for Linux. And before you who like those who are using it, please let me know if you know something. So I see some screws here, but other than this, it's a very minimalistic keyboard. It is very light. It's very light. I can carry this with me if I'm traveling. For my I'm gonna use, I do not have iPad, but for my iPhone, like if I am replying, if I'm catching up on my emails on my iPhone, I would definitely take this to a cafe where I'm replying to emails, or I'm gonna be using at home, mostly at home. As you guys know, with COVID, it's not that easy to get out, and I don't prefer going out. I like to stay inside, so I will be using this a lot. And this is pretty much it. So if you liked my review and if you would like to give me some pointers, please add the comments down below. And thank you. And this was my first video, and if there is anything you guys want to let me know, please do, and please follow me and turn on the notification. And thank you for watching.